Are you ready to explore a comprehensive approach to property condition assessment? Discover how eAuditor revolutionizes the inspection process with structured workflows and digital documentation. This video outlines the key aspects of property condition assessment using eAuditor from start to finish. The property condition assessment verifies the overall condition, safety, and functionality of a property. It includes structural components, mechanical systems, and life safety measures. eAuditor provides a structured digital workflow for checklists and photo documentation. It ensures accurate and consistent results by identifying maintenance needs and deferred repairs. Code compliance issues and operational inefficiencies are also detected. The assessment covers structural elements like foundations and walls. Mechanical systems such as HVAC and plumbing are evaluated. Life safety and compliance include fire protection and building codes. Maintenance needs, potential hazards, and life cycle replacements are identified. Exterior components, interior finishes, and operational functionality are also assessed. Start with the pre-assessment setup by loading the PCA template in eAuditor. Verified checklists cover all necessary systems and enable photo capture. Inspect the exterior for damage, leaks, or wear. Evaluate walkways, parking areas, and drainage. Document all findings with photos and notes for comprehensive analysis. Inspect mechanical and electrical systems like HVAC and boilers. Evaluate elevators and building systems for operational efficiency. Conduct an interior assessment of floors, walls, and finishes. Verify life safety systems like fire alarms and sprinklers. Complete a final walkthrough to review deficiencies and gather digital sign-off. Capture real-time data with on-site checklists and condition ratings. Attach photos of deficiencies and tag corrective actions for tracking. Convert issues into tasks with deadlines and priorities. Generate comprehensive PCA reports instantly with photos and notes. Share reports securely with owners or investors for decision-making. Identify recurring deficiencies and structural issues across properties. Highlight maintenance patterns and common equipment failures. Track regulatory compliance and corrective actions. Plan preventive maintenance and long-term upgrades. Transform raw inspection data into actionable intelligence for informed decision-making. Through detailed checklists and visual documentation, eAuditor ensures consistent assessment results. Automated corrective actions support safety, compliance, and maintenance planning. Confident property management and investment decisions are now within reach.